Hello there people of the channel, or not of the channel. Today we've got some pretty good news about the upcoming Eternals movie coming in November of this year, so let's get into this. Before this video begins, the channel is still hosting Avengers Endgame Blu-ray giveaway. All you have to do to win is subscribe to the channel and comment down below that you did. On with the video. Alright, so some news broke last night that the actors from the Eternals movie are already hyping up the fans by saying the Eternals will be the most sci-fi epic Marvel movie yet. And to be honest, this seems like a stretch since we just had the Endgame and Infinity War destroy the box office. And we've also had the awesome Dormammu versus Doctor Strange fight scene in the end of 2016 Doctor Strange. So making something more epic than those examples will be extremely hard. But since it's Marvel Studios, it's most likely going to happen. Anyways, the Eternals is a superhero team that has been around since the beginning of time in Marvel and in the comics, digs into some harsher topics, and will definitely be more on the scary side, which is good since fans will need some sort of preparation for Doctor Strange 2 into the Multiverse of Madness, since it's going to be one of the first horror films in the MCU. Also, something cool about the Eternals is there are reason mutants exist, and I'm sure the movie will finally show us an Easter egg related to the X-Men. So, are you excited for the Eternals movie? Let me know in the comments so we can carry on the conversation there. Anyways, this is a super short video, and this channel usually doesn't post this short of videos. Also, my name is Tanner Lewick, and Garrett has been one of my friends for life, and since he is out sick, I filmed a video for him to keep his channel going. And basically, I don't really have any channels going right now. I mean, you can subscribe to my Tanatomic Tanner channel. That'll probably be in the description. Garrett might be editing this video, I don't know. I think he is. So, yeah. If he edits this, can you just put my Tanatomic Tanner or Daquan channel down in the description? Thank you. Alright, thank you guys for watching this video. If you did enjoy it, please leave a like on it. I know it is extremely short. It was probably only a few minutes long. But, nevertheless, please stay tuned for future videos because they're also going to be probably a little bit longer than this one. Alright, thank you and bye-bye.